Pasok.
Hi.
Vanny. Welcome to my studio.
Hi. Ikaw lang mag-isa dito?
Mas maganda na yun para walang distractions. Mas nakapag-experiment ako. Mas nakapag-trabaho ako.
Okay.
Should we start?
Yeah, sige, game.
Okay. Please stand here.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Hold up. And that's shot. Nice. Okay, okay. Okay, ready? Nice. Nice. Okay, relax your arms. Masyado akong tense. Relax. Okay. And then, ulitin mo yung ginawa mo kanina.
Side.
Yeah. Perfect. Just find the light. Nice. Oh! Hindi ka lang. Don't move. Nice. Look away. Look away. Nice. Okay. Ganda.
Ayaw mo, nakatakot.
Yan. Ganyan, ganyan. Nice. Okay.
Okay, here's my second look. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Cover up, kunwari. Conservative.
Maganda. Okay. Okay. Nice. I love that. Ganda. Okay. Hold, hold, hold. And... Okay. Beautiful.
Sit in place.
Oh, okay. Okay. Woo! Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Hindi to first time mo, no?
Nagpa-practice ako sa harap ng salamin. Yeah, pero baka pwedeng iba kasi kanina dyan na tayo. Dito. Can I be on your bed?
Yeah, sure. Okay. I'm not... Oh, okay. Okay.
Sakta lang yung light.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Nice. Nice. Up. Nice.
Wait, here, close up. Tama lang.
Okay. Okay.
Parang, anong tawag doon? Portrait ba? Yung parang face mo hanggang dito.
Portrait.
Tapos more expression.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay.
Each me na lang.
Angry. Angry. Angry.
Ayaw mag-angry.
Just laugh. Laugh.
Okay.
Laugh. Laugh. Happy. Happy. Ba't ka sexy pag... Okay. Miss Cross. Hold up. May boyfriend ka ba?
Wala. Eh, ikaw, may girlfriend ka ba? Ang dami-dami mong kilalang magagandang babae. Wala ka bang mapili sa kanila?
Wala eh. Hindi ko mahanap yung katapat ko. Anyways, masaya akong single.
Bakit? Hindi ka ba nalulungkot?
Siguro... natatakot akong... magmahal muli kasi... naloko ko dati ng babae. Kaya siguro nahirapan akong magtiwala sa mga tao. Pero kung may iba, bakit hindi?
Siguro darating din yun.